You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word. I love this word. I love how it looks. The spelling is crazy. It means perplexing or doubtful, debatable, dubious. Quisqous is how you say it, and I guess that's the pronunciation that I love the most about this word. The meaning is also cool. Hard to deal with. Quisqous. Quisqous is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.